20 Top Health Benefits of Apple. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Apples are widely consumed and popular fruits that offer various health benefits. Here are 20 top health benefits associated with apples. Rich in fiber. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Weight management. The high fiber content in apples helps you feel full for longer, reducing overeating and supporting weight management efforts. Heart health. Apples contain antioxidants and soluble fiber, which have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. Lower risk of stroke. Regular apple consumption has been associated with a decreased risk of stroke, likely due to their high fiber and antioxidant content. Diabetes management. The soluble fiber in apples helps regulate blood sugar levels and can contribute to better glycemic control for individuals with diabetes. Improved lung function. Studies have suggested that apples and their antioxidants may help protect lung tissue and improve lung function. Enhanced brain health. Apples contain antioxidants that may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cancer prevention. Several compounds found in apples, such as flavonoids and antioxidants, have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including lung, colorectal, and breast cancer. Digestive health. The fiber content in apples promotes regular bowel movements and can alleviate constipation. Bone health. Apples contain a flavonoid called floridsin, which has been shown to increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Dental health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, which can help reduce the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Detoxification support. Apples contain compounds that support liver function and aid in the body's natural detoxification process. Hydration. Apples have high water content, contributing to overall hydration and helping maintain proper bodily functions. Eye health. Apples are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Improved immune function. The antioxidants in apples strengthen the immune system, helping to fight off infections and illnesses. Reduced inflammation. Certain antioxidants present in apples have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions. Skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in apples contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from oxidative stress and promoting a youthful appearance. Liver health. The flavonoids in apples have been shown to support liver health and reduce the risk of liver diseases such as fatty liver disease. Respiratory health. The antioxidants in apples may help improve respiratory function and reduce the risk of respiratory conditions like asthma. Improved cognitive function. Apples contain nutrients that support brain health and cognitive function, potentially enhancing memory and overall mental performance. Remember, while apples offer numerous health benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure overall nutritional well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.